Welcome to ReneEnergy.com, your renewable energy and sustainability platform. At ReneEnergy.com, we believe in the power of clean, sustainable energy to transform the way we live and work. That's why we offer a range of solutions for businesses and homeowners looking to switch to renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and water. Solar power, an abundant and renewable source of energy, continues to gain popularity worldwide. The switch to solar is a significant investment that can yield substantial financial savings over time. However, understanding the potential savings, the upfront costs, and the long-term benefits can be complicated. That's where a solar panel cost calculator becomes a valuable tool. This comprehensive guide will introduce you to the world of solar panel cost calculators, focusing primarily on the one provided by EnergySage, to help you navigate your transition to solar power with confidence. Understanding solar panel cost calculators. A solar panel cost calculator is an advanced online tool designed to help homeowners and businesses estimate the cost and savings of installing a solar panel system. This tool considers multiple factors such as the average sunlight exposure in your area, local electricity rates, and your home's average monthly electricity consumption. By integrating these factors, a solar panel cost calculator can provide a detailed estimate of the initial investment, return on investment, ROI, and overall savings that a solar power system can deliver. Why EnergySage? EnergySage is an online marketplace that connects consumers with solar power providers, offers a wealth of information about renewable energy, and provides a solar panel cost calculator renowned for its accuracy and comprehensive data breakdown. The EnergySage solar panel cost calculator differentiates itself with its precise algorithms and integrations with real-time data sources, providing more accurate estimates than most other calculators. This advanced tool considers your area's solar irradiance data, local utility rates, available federal and state incentives, and solar panel production ratios, delivering detailed and personalized results. Using EnergySage Solar Panel Cost Calculator, a step-by-step guide. 1. Visit the EnergySage website. Begin by navigating to the EnergySage website. See the link provided below for more details. On the website's main page, you will find a menu that guides you to the solar calculator page. 2. Enter your address. The tool requires your address to calculate the average amount of sunlight your area receives. It utilizes data such as local weather patterns and solar irradiance combined with satellite imagery to evaluate your home's potential for solar energy production. 3. Enter your monthly electricity bill. The next step involves entering your average monthly power bill. Your monthly power consumption helps determine the size of the solar panel system required to meet your energy needs. Typically, a higher electricity bill would necessitate a larger system. 4. Analyze the results. After inputting your details, the calculator processes the data and generates a comprehensive report. This report will include crucial information like the estimated cost of the solar panel system, potential savings over a specific period, the recommended system size, and the payback period. It also highlights the environmental impact, showing the estimated reduction in carbon emissions from switching to solar power. 5. Compare your options. An exclusive feature of EnergySage is the ability to compare quotes from multiple solar installers. After viewing your calculator results, you can request quotes from various providers, compare their offers, and select the best deal. Understanding the results. Breaking down the key components. Understanding the results from the EnergySage Solar Panel Cost Calculator is straightforward due to its user-friendly interface and easy-to-understand data breakdown. Let's dissect some of the key components. 1. Solar system size. This indicates the estimated size of the solar panel system you'll need, expressed in kilowatts, kW. The system size depends on your energy consumption, the amount of sunlight your area receives, and the efficiency of the proposed solar panels. 2. 20-year savings. This figure is an estimate of the total savings you'll accrue over 20 years by transitioning to solar power. It accounts for the cost of the system, the costs of financing, maintenance costs, and energy savings based on projected electricity rates over the period. 3. Payback period. This is the time it will take for the savings from solar energy to equal the total cost of installing and maintaining the system. 3. Once this payback period is reached, you effectively start generating free electricity, leading to net savings. 4. Cost of system after solar incentives. The cost of a solar power system can be offset by various incentives such as tax credits, rebates, and grants. 4. The calculator considers federal incentives like the Investment Tax Credit, ITC, and local incentives, providing an estimate of how much the system will cost after applying these benefits. 5. Environmental impact. The calculator also provides data about your potential environmental impact by switching to solar. 5. It translates the amount of solar energy you produce and consume into equivalent metrics such as the number of trees planted or the reduction in miles driven by a gas-powered car. Further exploring your solar options with EnergySage. Once you've understood the projected costs and savings from the solar panel calculator, EnergySage provides further tools to deepen your research. 1. Solar Marketplace. EnergySage's Solar Marketplace is a platform where you can compare quotes from pre-screened solar installers in your area. It provides a side-by-side comparison of costs, equipment, financing options, and company reviews to help you make the best choice. 2. Community Solar. If installing a solar panel system on your property isn't an option, you can explore community solar programs on EnergySage. These programs allow you to subscribe to a share of a larger solar farm in your area and receive credits on your electricity bill. 3. EnergySage Solar News. Keep up to date with the latest news in the solar industry, from updates on government incentives to the latest technology advancements. 4. Learning Center. The EnergySage Learning Center provides in-depth articles, videos, and infographics about all things solar, including a glossary of solar terms to help you understand the jargon. 5. Solar financing options. EnergySage presents different ways you can pay for your solar installation, including solar loans, solar leases, and power purchase agreements, PPAs. Conclusion. A solar panel cost calculator, like the one provided by EnergySage, is a valuable tool for anyone considering the switch to solar power. It presents an easy-to-understand breakdown of the potential costs and savings and helps simplify the decision-making process. With the use of EnergySage's comprehensive platform, from their accurate solar panel cost calculator to the competitive marketplace, your transition to solar power can be as informed and smooth as possible. The future of energy is renewable, and with these tools at your fingertips, you can make your switch to solar power a rewarding investment for both your wallet and the environment. Thank you for choosing ReneEnergy.com as your go-to source for all things renewable energy and sustainability. With our YouTube channel, we explore the latest developments and innovations in the field, including hydrogen fuel cells and the use of AI and machine learning to optimize energy consumption. If you're ready to take the next step towards a cleaner, more sustainable future, visit us at ReneEnergy.com and discover the many ways we can help you transition to renewable energy. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Stay up to date on all the latest news and insights by subscribing today.